Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a collective haul. I have a couple of items from Amazon, AliExpress, and I just wanted to show you some of the items I got for my Buttons Galore design team. I am kind of obsessed with shabby chic, but I want to make it my style. I know that there is very different definitions of it. I'm just kind of dabbling into it. So I kind of took my stash and I wanted to create a box of items that kind of felt shabby chic to me. So I have some rhinestone, flat back rhinestones. I have this beautiful, I don't even know what this is, but it is a beautiful like rhinestone pearl centered. I have this one. It's kind of like a flower snowflake. And then I just pulled some like little lace ribbons, and I have a whole bunch of trim as well, but that doesn't fit in here. I also have these little sequins flowers that I got from Ali, and I have been kind of thinking about how I wanted to build my box. So I've been collecting some items, and I found this on Amazon, and it's kind of like a starter pack to my little situation over here. So it's like a little sampler, and it comes in this box, really nothing fancy, but you get a ton of different pieces. And when I opened it, I was so pleasantly surprised. And I think these are such beautiful, well-made pieces. Look at this. I am so obsessed with this. It's a flat back, kind of like a flower with the rhinestone centers. It's a pearl flower nonetheless. And it seems to, they give you a little bit of everything. Here's like a rhinestone. I don't know. I've been kind of loving this. I want to see if I can incorporate some of this into my Maggie's style projects, but you get all of this in that box. So I thought this was a great way to kind of jumpstart my little situation here, my box, and I can't wait to add this into a project. Look at this one. It's like a little flower and has a little thing. You can even make this a dangle if you wanted to. But I just love the little pieces that they give in here, and you get a little bit of everything. So if I really feel connected to something, I might even go search it out. But I thought this was a great way to kind of kickstart this new collection that I am trying to build here. You got this one here. It has like a little rhinestone pearl center. I thought these would be so nice. I am kind of obsessed with anything with pearls right now, and you'll see that from my upcoming haul. I know it could be considered a little bit, I don't know, but I don't want to say it, but you know, I want to make it fun and modern and add it to like a Maggie project. So we'll see what we do. I thought that was a great deal. I also saw Happy Meal Queen, yes, and she had purchased, or she showed a project, and I saw her use this Cricut craft board foil sampler, and I ordered it yesterday, you guys, and it was so cheap. I'm just gonna open this up so I can show you guys. So you get 30 sheets, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. But when she showed the project, I was like, that is so beautiful and I need it. And it was on sale on Amazon, so I was so happy. And you can kind of see that here. I'm just gonna try to go through the pack. I literally got this pack today. I saw how much you got for the price. I think it was like $10.79 on Prime, Amazon Prime. And then I ordered 2 more packs because honestly, when these papers go on sale, it's such a great deal. And I love thick cardstocks, and I love that, I don't know, just, it's always like nice to have. And this is a specialty cardstock, which makes it even more exciting because these things can cost money, right? So here's the color. It's kind of like a really pretty hot pink. And there, ooh, this yellow is gorgeous. Love that. Sorry for the glare, you guys. I'm trying to prevent that, but this is more of like a peachy orangey color. Love, love, love that for like a Halloween project, or even like but it has like a pink finish. And it kind of reminds me of that acetate mylar that everyone was obsessed with. So, but this is just a cardstock. The back is white and it's considered craft board, so I'm assuming it's just a lot thicker. You have this lime green. Oh my god, this would be so awesome for Halloween. And then this blue, which would be screams like a mermaid project. So I love this. I highly recommend you guys. Again, it's on sale on Amazon and I just think it's a great deal. So stock up what you can. So I'm just gonna put this to the side and let's get into this AliExpress haul. So some of the items took super fast to get here. I literally ordered something last week and it came this week. So I was so amazed. And then other items, I think with the Chinese New Year, it took a little bit longer, but nonetheless, I've got some great items. So I'm super excited to show you. I told you I'm kind of obsessed with pearls, so this is kind of that haul here. So I got these pearl hearts. I love them, and you get a whole bag. I think this is about 100. So I can't wait to wire wrap them. I think they're perfect because they're white. You go with all different, you know, crafting. Here's some stars. Super pretty. And I did see someone dye their white items, like a bead, with alcohol ink. So I'm going to totally try that and see if that works. Guys, I totally am obsessed with these. So these are rhinestone hearts and they have this pearl kind of like trim inside. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I was thinking of like having it with a cluster of flowers and that just like standing on it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And you get a bag of 10 and the backs are just a gold finish. Guys, I'm obsessed. Okay, and then I bought a whole bunch of those pearl flowers that you just saw me haul from Amazon. I ended up getting this before, and these are so beautiful. I'm obsessed. These have different color pearl centers, and then like just the insides have those rhinestones, and you get probably about 10 or more in here. Can't really tell. Here are these versions. These are probably the same ones. Oh yeah, these are the same ones I got from Amazon. But these have a white finish, and these are a little more yellow. If you can see that. And the pearls are just so pretty and dainty. I love these. Love these, and I cannot wait to make a project with them. Here are these versions. You guys, they're so gorgeous. I honestly can't wait to add them to a project and kind of make this shabby journey fun or a little modern, because I want to put a little twist to it, kind of my style. So stay tuned for that. They also gave me a little bag of beads, which I thought was really nice. Always nice to get a little free gift. And let's get into this Buttons Galore design team package, you guys. There's a lot of new items, and I was so excited to receive it. It's always nice to get happy mail. So I am on the design team for Buttons Galore more. They just have a huge array of new products, so I'm super excited to show you what we got here. So these are half pearls, and I don't have the color on these, but they are blue tones. You get the light blue and the dark blue. We also have got these pearls, and these are aqua. I love that they went with different ranges of colors. Got these pearls here, and this is mint. Again, you get the lighter version and the darker version. These are a little bit more of a iridescent kind of finish. And then let's see, got the peach version and the lilac version. Gorgeous. And this is right up my alley right now because I'm so obsessed with pearls. So and then there's a whole range of bling, you guys. So we've got, let me see if there are any, oh, they're just, it says crystal embellishments. So these are this one, and this is called Caribbean, but look how beautiful these are. This one's ocean blue. Stunning. We've got this one here, and this is kiwi. I love that green. So pretty. This is mango. Totally is mango-y. Lovely. This beautiful pink. And this is grapefruit. This one is grape. Love that purple. We've got this yellow. This is lemon, and this is peach. Stunning. Stunning. And then, oh, I missed a pearl. And this one is sunburst. So pretty. Let's see what we got here. We got a couple of new sprinklets and jewels. I'm going to go for the jewels again. These are premium gemstones, and this one is coppery blue. Love that one. I just want to see. Okay, so these are really... Okay, so these are more like gemstones, and these are more like flat bag gemmies. You can kind of see that here. The facet is a little bit... This is more transparent, and this is more opaque. So pretty. And then we got these, which is transparent AB. So pretty. Look at that sparkle on that, you guys. Here's this one here, and this is fuchsia AB. Ooh, I love that finish on it. It has a pretty iridescent. Love that. And then the new sprinklets for this season, we have chicks and bunnies. So you got a whole bunch of little, there's like some little chicks, there's bunnies, there's flowers in here. This is a really fun mix. There's pastel blooms, so pretty. Got all the flowers in this mix. The yellows, the pinks, the greens. We've also got Irish Party. So you got the little beer cups, the little hat, the 4-leaf clovers. Love this, so fun. You got spring swirls. So you got all the pretty swirly colors. This one is Easter mix. Oh, this is so pretty in pastel. Love this. And then last but not least, we got smileys. So you got a whole bunch of different colored smileys that you can add on a project. And that is it, you guys. I'll leave any links down below. If you are interested, leave me a nice comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.